Hello everybody, my name is Sir Raphael and I will be teaching you Environmental Studies for Class 3. Now everybody take out your Wonder World Environmental Studies textbooks and turn with me to page 69, lesson number 10, Air Around Us. Today we will be learning about air. The air we breathe in, the air we blow out, and the breeze that we feel on our face, all of these things are, are basically what we call air, right? Air is all around us and we shall be learning more about air today. So, if you take a balloon and blow into it, what do you see? What do you observe? Now, remove the balloon from your mouth. Do you feel something rushing out and the balloon becoming small? That is air. Air is all around us, but we cannot see it, right? Can you see air? What does air look like? That's right, you cannot see air. We can feel air when it moves. What bends the trees and blows their leaves? It is the air. When air moves gently, it is called a breeze. Right? When it moves gently, it is called a breeze. When air moves fast, it is called a wind. With a great force, it is called a storm. A storm can destroy houses and uproot trees. Right? So a breeze is when it moves gently, a wind is when air moves fast, and then when air moves with a great force, it is called a storm, right? Now look at the two pictures below. Yes, you can see a light gentle breeze on plants, right? You can see the plants, they move with the breeze. But then a storm is much more much more powerful. It has much greater force and it can uproot even trees. Yes, storms can be very powerful. Right, so what is air made out of? What comprises of air? Right? Air covers the earth like a thick blanket. This is called the atmosphere. Air is a mixture of gases. What kind of gases? Nitrogen gas forms most of the air, right? A majority of the air we breathe in comprises of nitrogen. The other important gas is oxygen that helps animals and human beings to breathe. Right? Oxygen is very important for us. Without oxygen, we will not be able to live. And carbon dioxide, which helps plants to make food, is also present in air. Right? And air also contains many dust particles. So, what are the main gases we find? Nitrogen gas, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Right? And now, moving on to the next page, page number 70. Uses of air. Air has many uses, right? So we shall learn about what kind of uses air has. We have for air. All animals, plants, and human beings need air to breathe and live. Playing and exercising in fresh air makes us healthy. Plants also need air to make food. The oxygen present in air is needed for burning. If we put a burning candle inside a jar, it will stop burning as it will not get the oxygen supply. Do you think we will be able to light a fire if there was no air? Yes. So, first of all, what use we have for air? We need air to breathe and live, right? Even all human beings, all plants, all animals, we all need air, right? Plants also need air to make the food. Oxygen present in the air is needed for burning as well. Now, nothing can burn if it is not supplied with oxygen. If we put a burning candle inside a jar, it will stop burning as it will not get the oxygen supply. Right? Now, what are the features of air? Air occupies space and has weight. Remember when you blew into the balloon, the air filled the space inside it. It grew large. The balloon also became heavier. Air exerts pressure on its walls. Let us do an experiment to see this happen, right? So if you want, you can do this experiment on page 70, right? It's not for homework, but you can do this in your free time, right? Now, we shall discuss a very important topic, air pollution. Now, this is very important and we should remember this for the rest of our lives as it is very important for the entire planet and the human race. Air pollution. Air that we breathe has become very dirty or polluted due to various reasons. Fumes from factories and vehicles make the air polluted. Burning dry leaves and garbage also pollutes the air, right? Breathing in breathing in polluted air is harmful for us. It causes many allergies and breathing problems. It is also very harmful for the trees and makes the weather very hot. Polluting chemicals have made holes in our atmosphere, the air blanket that covers the earth. Due to this, harmful ultraviolet rays are entering the earth and causing many diseases. So, air pollution is a very serious thing, boys and girls. Always remember that fumes from factories, vehicles, burning dry leaves and garbage, burning of any kind adds to the air pollution. And air pollution, breathing in polluted air is very harmful for us. It causes many allergies and breathing problems, and it is very harmful for trees, as well as it makes holes in our atmosphere that due to this, harmful ultraviolet rays that come from the sun enter the earth, and it causes many diseases among the people, right? So, let us sum up what we have learnt. Air is all around us, number one, right? We cannot see it, but we can feel it. Air is a mixture of gases such as oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. A blanket of air surrounds the earth. It is called the atmosphere. All living beings need air to breathe. Air is also required for burning as well. Harmful smoke from factories and vehicles is causing air pollution. Polluted air is very harmful for our health, right? So, that will be the end of the lesson. For homework, I would like you to do exercises A, B, and C on page 72, right? And thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.